Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing a new, is this thing on? Yes it is. So we are going to unbox a new brush set today, and then I am going to do an eyeshadow look with one of my go-to ride or die fall palettes. So let's get on into this video. So Alter Ego, oh, it came with like everything. Alter Ego has a new brush set that they released on their site. It's actually like a full brush set this time, not just like eye. So you get face and eye brushes. Didn't realize that. Else I would have used those for like my face makeup, but it does come in this cute little clutch. Like you could totally use this to, you know, go out or something, or just, you know, hold your makeup brushes in. Very travel friendly. And then it comes with a whole bunch of eyeshadow brushes, which is what we are going to be using to do my eyeshadow look today. Ooh, yes. And see, it has like a rose gold tip on it. That's really pretty. Here are the eye brushes. It comes with a double-ended eyebrow spoolie, so that's going to come in handy. And then it comes with all of these eye brushes. I do have some Alter Ego brushes, but I don't have the new set, so wanted to test these out. We're gonna do an eyeshadow tutorial with one of my all-time favorite palettes. It's the At Forest Sight palette. This one I just recently had up in a fall eyeshadow palettes video, so go check that out, where I basically mention all of my top picks in my stash for fall eyeshadow palettes. The Raw Beauty Kristi one was in there. Now in that video I did explain that the formula is a little bit hard to work with, so was talking with one of my friends and she told me try a different eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion. So we're going to use the Primer Potion. I have a Clarity Cosmetics. This is their concealer brush. Just going to evenly put that all over my eye. Just going to set the eyelid with a little bit of my 16-hour powder. Just a little bit. And then we're using the Alter Ego number 5. Just to set it down a little bit. It's still going to grip the eyeshadow, but I just don't want it to be like too much. Haven't played with this palette in a while. I've always found it was like kind of tricky to use because the eyeshadows are a little bit harder to blend out, and it's not necessarily all of them, but for quite a few of them I have problems with. So we're going to try with the Eye Primer Potion. I'm going to use Old Growth as the like crease transition shade. Yeah, that primer potion really does like grip. Grip, grip, grip. Now I have been wondering if part of the reason why I'm having problems with some of my eyeshadow is because of age and I'm getting wrinkles, which, I mean, you never know. They're like really pigmented. Again, this is just Old Growth. It's like a skin tony peachy color, like really pigmented on the eyes. So now we're going to go in with an Alter Ego number 6. Do we want to do something more green? I think so. Let's try something more green. Although I do want to do some like yellow too. So we're going to go in with Emerald City, which is this one down here. This is a very like forest green color. We're just using the number 6 from Alter Ego, and we're going to start on the outer edge, going below the crease, and we're just going to blend this in. Now my goal with this eyeshadow look is to use one of the Super Shocks that came with this collection. The one I'm thinking of is going to be Like a Moss, which is like a greeny duochrome, so that should look really pretty. Yeah, it's like clinging really funny right in here. This is where I had problems last time. Yeah, it's like clinging really funny right in here. I swear this is where I had problems last time. It's accentuating all of my fine lines in my eye. Maybe it's because I have wrinkles. These eyeshadows were not made for people with wrinkly eyelids. So let's just take Old Growth again and try and blend this out. Okay. So let's just go back in with the Alter Ego number 6. I'm going to use Pacific Northwest. This is that, like, almost like a blue-green color. This shadow is really pretty. Going to put this all over the lid. So really dark. Woo! Like really dark. Ooh. So let's just tap some of this away. We're going to take an Alter Ego number 9 and we're going to use some of these darker colors for the under eye, but then I'm going to use the Evergreen Duochrome shade. So lots of fallout in the pan. So at first I'm using Emerald City. I'm going to take it from the outer lash line right here on in. Oh, this is a great like smudgy brush. That's like perfect. It's just big enough where like you aren't feeling like you're scratching your eyeball. Kind of creating like a triangle right there. Then I am going to use that same brush and we're going to use Evergreen, which is that duochrome. I want to put this on the lower lash line, like on the inner corner, like inner part right there. Just like blend it all the way across. And I'm going to take an Alter Ego number 11. This is like a corner, very pointy. We're going to do the inner corner with this one. Just the inner corner. And now I want to use this one right here. This is the duochrome like Almas, and it's their Super Shock formula. Look at that shift. So pretty. Usually, I like to use like a flat brush. Sometimes I'll use my finger. So we're using the Alter Ego number 8. Let's see how this picks up. If it doesn't really pick up on the brush, which it may not, then we're going to use our finger. So we're doing this on the inner corner. I like how it like shifts. That's pretty. Taking it like way up. I want this to be like dramatic. It looks dramatic, right? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like I'm a siren. Wow, that's like really bold. Let's take the number 5 brush again, and we're just going to use Old Growth and kind of really just hopefully get rid of the harsh line right here. It needs a little bit more. So I have Olympic. No, this is one of my favorites. This is Olympic. It's going to pop out, but we're going to use my finger. I'm just going to pop this like right in the middle of the eye. This is literally one of my favorite Super Shock formulas. That and Micellar. Those are my favorite. I feel like a siren. Eyes are pretty much done besides like my mascara. And then I did get one of these Alter Ego lipsticks. This is in the shade Vanity. I think this is a really bright red shade. Yes, it is. It's like Demon Dark Red. So I wanted to try this shade because I just love like really statement-y red lips. So we're going to use just an old, this is a Maybelline Color Sensational. It's in Dusty Rose. So it is like more my skin tone, and then kind of hoping to get like a pinky reddy look with this. Ooh, this is like a jelly consistency. Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, that's pretty. And that's not even like a full like on my, I'm very dramatic today. I found the Raw Beauty Kristi Pure lashes. Never opened these ones. These ones are the more dramatic ones. They're called Lovely. And I'm going to put these on because why the hell not? I just need to make sure that these are going to look okay on my lashes and they're not going to be too long. And these do have like a clear lash band, so hopefully I won't be able to see them when I put my lashes on. Let's see if this, we've never done lashes on camera before. This is like a freaking disaster. All right, so here is the completed eyeshadow look with the Raw Beauty Kristi at Foresight palette. Again, if you didn't see my top fall palettes for 2022 in a Shop My Stash sort of style, go check out that video. And then I did use some of the Super Shocks today that came in that collection. So if you guys want to see more looks, I am going to be going through every single fall palette that I featured in that video, and I'll be doing an eyeshadow look for each one of those as a separate video, so stay tuned for that entire fall palette series. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, leave me some comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!